Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this makeup look. And I've already done it on this eye and I plan on showing you on this eye. It's really simple to be honest, even though it looks kind of complicated. And yeah, you can try it at home. To be honest, it's really simple. 10 minutes maximum and then you will be done. So let's go. So we're gonna start off with the bronzer. As you can see, it's a bit dark here. I'm using this brush. I have another brush. It looks like this one, but this one is a bit shorter. Short. This one is a bit more short, and yeah, less fluffy. So this one is great to just apply stuff, and then you can use the other one to spread it out. Anyway, so I'm just putting brown here to make it not look weird later on. So, as you can see, it is a bit of blue there, but just don't mind it, okay? At the moment, I just put some brown here to make some definition. And now we're going to put on the blue. Okay, so you can watch my shorts where I show it like kind of easily, like it's not really too detailed. I did show this palette, which I later on regretted using, so I don't know, it just was too dark. So I would recommend using something like this kind of color, because it will match a lot better. And or this one right here, the first one. Those two will look the best in my opinion. So let me take this one that's lighter that I just showed you. Oh yeah, let me ask you guys. Do you like these kind of videos or the videos you like before? Do you like when I'm more friendly or professional? I don't know. Okay, so right now we're just going to put the blue, like here. I don't know why I get an accent set on. I don't even know sometimes what accent I'm using, but whatever. And so I'm just going to put it. I think this eye will be a bit better, but because of the fact that I kind of know how to put it on this time, so it might not look the same, but this one will definitely look better. And this blue is actually really pretty. And let me tell you, I've been started taking a liking to this palette a lot more. I think it's because in the beginning, you know, sometimes on makeup there's a coat, like, so when you pick it up there isn't like pigment and stuff. I thought that was I think that was the case with this palette, because before I hated it. I was like, why doesn't it have pigment? And now suddenly it has. So I mean, it's probably something wrong, like probably isn't something wrong with it, just I misunderstood it. Wait a minute. Here's the thicker brush that I was talking to you guys about. I'm just thinking, is this one darker? It probably is. It does look darker. And now I'm just gonna put it on. Wait, let me have a mirror so I know it looks good in real life too. Because sometimes, let me tell you about this, YouTubers just make it look good on camera and not real life. What's the meaning with a makeup tutorial if it's not the tutorial of the makeup? Wait, that doesn't make sense now, does it? Why does my hijab look so weird from down here? Doesn't, I promise you, just because of how low the camera is, it's supposed to be a lot higher up. It's fine though. I don't have anything to I don't have any kind of stand. What is that bead doing here? And I don't have any kind of stand or anything, so it just has to kind of be like this. Now this looks gorgeous. Okay, we're done with the blue as well, and obviously it's just brown and black. Oh, what is going on with the way I'm talking? Anyway, now it's just brown and black, and we're basically done. I'm using a very dark brown. Let me show you guys. Wait a minute, like this. So basically I'm going to use this brown that's very dark. So I'm just going to put the brown here, as you already can see, not in the middle because there's still supposed to be blue there. Okay, and then just, okay guys, so we're just going to make a V shape here. You can already see that I already put some brown, and again the V shape. Okay, done. We're done with the V shape. Now we're putting black on, any kind of black. this kind of black. And then we're just going to just put it at the end, okay? Basically, putting some black here, so there's more dimension because we care about that kind of stuff. And then boom, boom, boom. Now we're going to make a really important step, and that's putting black on a like not straight brush. It's not gay either, but it's not straight. Okay, let's put it on here. Whatever. So basically, we're going to just put it here. Oh, that looks scary. Wait a minute. So we're just going to put some black here, like a liner, as you can see. And now I'm going to make a liner. And doing the liner is probably the easiest part. So what do you guys think? Which one is prettier? This one or this one? I know I said this one will be prettier, but I'm quite unsure right now. Wait a minute. Or this one. This or this? Which one do you think is prettier? Because I'm not quite sure, if I'm gonna be honest. Both ended up being quite weird. And I am kind of disappointed, but that's fine. Sometimes it happens. I just had to make a video. I felt like I haven't been posting a video like for over 2 weeks. That's way too much even for me. So I'm happy I did make a video. Yeah, that was all. Bye.